It's not just a car show, it's an adventure.
Alright, so after a quick nap break, because we haven't slept in what seems like forever, we're gonna head back to the Lexington to go look at the cars again one more time before we have to unload and then head back to Houston. But first, we have to go down there somewhere and go fix the truck because we had a little bit of an issue getting here. The truck decided to go into limp mode. I think what it's trying to do is trying to go into regen mode, trying to burn off some of that soot. But I think there may be a fuel filter issue because it's not allowing it to go into regen. It just keeps going into limp mode, and then and it won't activate regen. So we got to go hunt a fuel filter and then install it and then drive it, because you have to drive it for about 20 minutes for it to enable regen mode and clear it all out, and I think we should be good after that. We got the fuel filter changed. We did it. We were able to get it primed and started back up. Unfortunately, it looks like the truck's still in reduced engine power mode, but we're gonna try to clear it real quick, run it, see if it stays off that mode so we can get the regen done. Hopefully that's the case. Here we are again.
Here we are, reduced engine power.
We just gotta get this regen done, I think. Then we can go.
Looks like a
yeah, maybe. They probably. Yeah. Oh, funny meeting you here. I wish I was making this up, but yeah, you can see right there. We had to take the exhaust where it runs, where this filter runs all the way up to the downpipe for the turbo right there. Stuck on the side of the road. All we have with us are a pair of wire cutters, and Brian, with his ingenuity, was able to take the V-band off of there, and we dropped the exhaust, and I think we're gonna be good to go. I'm not even kidding when I say pair of wire cutters. We were just able barely to take off this V-band. So we ended up getting stranded. The fuel filter did not work. Middle of the highway. Luckily, Brian bailed us out by taking the exhaust completely off the truck. The exhaust filter is completely clogged up. I mean, completely clogged up. It started building back pressure and backfiring through the intake. Got the V-band off, the exhaust dropped down, and it's like a whole new truck.
Like, been a few miles.
Yeah. It was like a brand new truck, so we were able to get to where we needed to go, and now we're back at the hotel with the running truck. Now we just gotta figure out the rest, I guess. How's that saying go?
It's not just a show, it's an adventure.
Check this thing out. Wow. All the cars are here lined up. A lot of unique cars out here. We're here on the flight deck of the USS Lexington. Wow. But yeah, we've got the Firebird and the Trans Am over yonder. And a bunch of other nice rides. Shelby GT500. Man, I want to get my hands on a Z06. What do you guys think? Should we consider getting a Z06 for the channel? Red Eye. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look what we got going on here. Deep truck out. Love the color combo. Satin black with a satin green. That is too cool. I thought it was black, but it's like almost like a dark purple. Kind of see the color there. Looks black in dark sunlight, but it's definitely not. Drag car. Well, it's been a hell of a weekend, but we are just about done. We got another 30 minutes left to look at all the cars and just check everything out, because we're going to start the unloading process, which is going to be fun, trying to get all these cars to properly back out. As you can see, there is an insane amount of cars on here, which makes for a great car show. Mr. Kelsey right here. I was telling him that my son's a big fan of dinosaurs, and I said that he reached out in the center console and gave me this little toy to give my son. Man, I appreciate it, my friend.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
What inspired you to do the Jurassic Park thing?
I actually just got in a car wreck right before
Yeah.
I bought this.
Yeah.
And I was watching the movie with my hand all broken, and I was like, you know what? Time to have some fun. So
I hear ya.
I decided I was going to build this and do charity events and just have some fun, let people get in it.
Yeah, that's nice. It definitely attracts, like I said, there's a lot of Jurassic Park fans. My son's one of them. He loves watching the movies and everything. So,
Oh, thank
yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Y'all both looking at me.
Nice feeling, huh?
This does not feel the same as last time.
No, it didn't.
It almost feels like it's going down
It's like it's
crooked.
going backwards.
What in the world? Why? Why would you park in front of a trailer?
The asshole of the world goes to
Goes to that guy right there.
Not just a show, it's an adventure.